First, find the fluoride nozzle inside the chiller. Unscrew counterclockwise, then use the other end to unscrew. 2到3 turns to release the fluorine. Wait until no more gas is discharged from the nozzle, then screw on the nozzle again. Pre-start preparation. Check the nameplate for refrigerant, type and chart level. Preparation tools, electronic scale, vacuum pump, fluoride table, freon. First, remove the fluoridation gauge and connect the fluoride nozzle and the vacuum pump. Start the vacuum pump. Note that it is safe to evacuate for 30分钟 use. Exhaust the air of the fluoridation table. Wait until there is gas flushing out. You can close the exhaust port. When filling freon, place freon upside down on an electronic scale to facilitate real-time observation of the amount of filling.